Alright guys, this is a video to show you how to screen record your presentation using Screencast-o-matic. So you first go to Google, you type in Screencast-o-matic. I already typed it before, so it's there. And then you go to the website. Okay, so just use start recording for free. You don't need to sign up. Just click on start recording for free. Then it'll direct you to this page where you can launch the free recorder. Click on that. Then click open screen recorder launcher. And that's it. You see it's already been launched. So this is what it looks like. You have some windows here, and here's a video thumbnail of you. Note, computer audio is not available for this free version, which means if you want to share a video during your presentation, the audio of that video cannot be heard. Okay, so basically any sound coming from your computer system cannot be heard, cannot be recorded. But your narration, your talking will be recorded. Okay. You can actually and choose both, so you can have both screen recorded as well as a video thumbnail of you. Basically, leave everything as default. Okay, and close this window. You don't actually need it. So this is where you can start your recording. Okay, so for example, go to your PowerPoint and get it ready. Let's say from beginning. Okay, now you can still see the buttons here. So you will click record. 3, 2, 1, go. That's it. Now everything will be recorded, including the presentation. You go through the presentation. Go through the presentation and a video thumbnail of you as well as your audios. Okay, so you don't even need to share anything, just click on recording, then it will start to record because it's designed for this kind of stuff, right? So it's easier to use than Zoom or Teams, which has other features. This is just designed for screen recording, okay? And then once you finish, you can click on pause. Okay. If you don't like the video you recorded, you can discard it and start over again. And if you finished, you can click done. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Save and upload. Click on that. And then save as video files. Because later I want you to upload the file to stream, so don't choose other options. I know some of you have YouTube, but I want you to save the file. And then you can choose a folder. I'm just gonna save it to the desktop. You can give it a name. I'm just gonna use the default name and you click publish. And you just wait a bit. If your presentation is 15 minutes, it might take longer. We just made a really short video, so it actually doesn't take a very long time. Okay, let's just wait a bit, but you can fast forward in your video, right? All right, you can just click on browse folder. It'll show you where the video is in the folder. It's on the desktop, recording 11. Then just click on that. See if that's what you want. Let's see what did we record. Yep. So this is what it looks like. Right? Video thumbnail view, PowerPoint, and your audio. Okay. So fairly easy to use. Okay. And I want to mention a few things. So first of all, it's about, let me exit from here. So every time you want to do a new video, you have to go through this again. Go back to the main page, start recording, launch free recorder. Okay, so every video you want to make, you have to do the whole thing again because it's not installed locally. You have to go through the online web version of it, basically. But it's nice. It's a really nice little program for screen recording. Okay. Again, everything default here is fine. You can only record 15 minutes, right? So during our recording, so I pull out the PowerPoint presentation. Once you start recording, 3, 2, 1, it'll be recorded, right? But let's say during your presentation, you suddenly forgot what you need to say, and you just kind of, your brain went blank, right? What do? You don't have to make a new video. You can click on this, pause, right? So instead of clicking done, which is something you do after you're happy with your video, you finished, you just leave it there, and then you think about what you want to say, okay? And then you can click record again, so it'll continue where you left off, continue recording where you left off. So click on that, 3, 2, 1, go, and it'll continue. So your thinking time won't be recorded. It'll just continue recording from now. Okay, so this is a really good feature if you need time to think during your presentation. And that's another advantage of using screen recording compared to you do the presentation live. Because when you do the presentation live, you don't actually have a lot of thinking time because I'm there watching you, right? But when you do screen recording, you can totally do that. Okay. And then once you finish, just click done. Also, this stuff you see, ignore it because I'm using Zoom to make this tutorial video. So this is actually part of my Zoom recording feature. So ignore that, okay? So for Screencast-o-matic, you only have this window, and the window I just closed, which you don't really need to use. And then that's it, okay? By the way, here's another trick. Let's say during your presentation, right? Don't forget to click record. And then you suddenly want to show yourself explaining something and you don't need a PowerPoint, you can quickly switch to this view. So this is yourself talking, okay? And then you can explain something to me. Then after you're done, click on the second window, and it comes back to your PowerPoint, all right? Try it out, let me know how it works out.